Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka RCE Secondary School mi mentedu ka baham Hapoh kathat lasken block West Gentia Hills kadeka school ka bapet kerpang ye gitu kena jong kasnong mi mentedu ki bawan ki long ying long sem ki ban ka jingduk jingkerdu haka pra tarik unailor kala snok tilang ban rakhe ya ka World Literacy Day haka jingilang ka balalong ha hall jong ka school Yakni gasngi la rakhe halor ka phang promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peace societies. Naka Kyntiew yaka Puthi haka perthai, naka bawanra yaka jinkala but thao nongrim, naka bala ban kershan but wanra ka syongsuk syongsan haka imlang salang. Yaka jingilang la penyai naka kong bayahun lang pawa, ka balong ka assistant teacher haka jingidan lang, ka head teacher ka kong tina lakyang kidikot ka managing committee kinong hikai bat ki khna kanika school kong lakyang haga jingkren kalaya tho baka RCE Secondary School kelas dang house nam arjar saw halor ka thong ban ai jing hikai ki khna ki bumjulet school baru iki to ki khna ki bala pep school shiteng por ban kring yaki bakin one haga nika school naga benta bakin yo yaka jingnang jing start baru bakin light naga jing im lengkar ban kring yaka perkhat perdan jong ki khna la pun long ru yaka jing yako ba phair bakin thup yaka drawing painting recitation thought poetry but kiwei
So we will try our best how to increase the literacy rate because we don't want to see any child, any student who don't know how to learn and write. Call your friends. As Madam said that this is the center for dropped out school students. Call your friends who cannot go to school anywhere. Call them, tell them this is the school that will help every child. So my dear student, with these few words, let us celebrate with a positive spirit. Let us try to know, to bring back the respect in ourselves by being educated person. Thank you.
Dari setempat ajar boleh kami jingsiap tu ngat tong literacy day tu kejing nang distan kamu tu ni blog view kulam you pencilai kamu persiap tu perthai wara ugi ton perchangi uman kante ude nyudang khian uman warsa se so bhai o suma bhau ditor komne kamu wadang plungri ni proi jimu perkhari kam tam kami kena skor po em jing pre Puthi yo yi pende hok ite kamera mangi hampat gitu gerong cisni go ye penbe epi kam tam hagani kepor kam yonga kyong phi rang khai karo yo ma go penbe thai kan ngayo te.
And today is 8 September and we are celebrating a International Literacy Day. And this day is an occasion to help the people who cannot read and write. And we have to learn, we are the student, we have to study properly and we have to teach the people in rural areas. And as I saw in my village, many of students drop out. And as we are a student, we have to tell them that a literacy day is a very important. As you know, we live in a modern days, we have to study hard, we have to know how to write and how to read. So, let us pledge from today onward, we will learn, write, teach, and inspire, and to make our future full of knowledge and success. Thank you.
Without education, we won't be anywhere. So, my dear student, reading is the first thing that we learn in our life. Since we were kids, we learn to read and keep on reading as we grow up till we reach the stage of our life. Because why? Reading is one part of our life which is very much important. We read whatever book we get, we read whatever is written everywhere. Literacy is a very important part. It helps us to build a life. As the theme said, promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peaceful society. For a peaceful society, to bring a change in the society, there is only one tool, and that is education. Without education, there is nothing. You have seen in our own village in Mimtru how the village are now, back before how we are. Now you are learning. You learn to read, you learn to speak, you learn to write. Isn't it? Yes? Why? Because you want to become someone.
We started it not very long, but since that day, we continuingly every year, we celebrate the World Literacy Day, always on the 8th of September. And do you know why we have to do that? Do you know? You have to remember that this school where you are now, it was actually started 2004 as a center of the out-of-school children, the never enrolled, and to bring back to school camp, and also to increase the literacy rate of this village. In 2004, the literacy of the village is only 40%. So today, the literacy of the village is approximately 95%. So for us, it is a big step. We always have this center right from 2004 till today. In 2004, we have around 45 children only. That also, we have to do the survey by ourselves. We have to go around and then get those children. I still remember how Sir Frederick Kynmaw, the then DC of that time, and late Sir Chibayohoy, they are the one that actually give us encouragement and always helping us to start the center. And then from that time, we continue every year, and the number increased. And then after 5 or 6 years, we have not only for commitment to do the children, we have the children from the surrounding area of Mitmantedu, and then also even from different part of the village, those who came to know that this is the center, this is a center which continually bring back the children to school camp, which they will enroll the children, then they will enroll the dropout. And to this year, we still have 104 dropout. Only around 12 never enroll. Only 12 never enroll, and the rest are the dropout. And these dropout, do you know how we used to take them? You know already, we took them in the middle of the year, we took them in the month of March, we took them every time this one. We took them always here. So this we can see that by having the center in this place, it really helped to increase the literacy, not only here in this village, but all over. And then when we mainstream them, this year we mainstream around 24. Already this year, we already mainstream 24. That means after 3 or 4 months, when we saw that they are fit, so they'll go to the next class. And mostly, the children who are here, they are the dropout, but underprivileged. Why this year we have quite many? Because of COVID and because of poverty. And sometimes when we mainstream them, they have no place to go. So, and because due to poverty, they cannot go to a regular school. So we give them the chance to go in. We open a morning section, regular morning section with the same teacher to teach these children. So we feel very proud that at least we could do this to increase the literacy and and to bring back the children to school camp. This is, I feel that it is just because we learn the importance of the literacy, the importance of the literacy. And that's why we celebrate this day every year, just to remind us that literacy is very important in our day-to-day life. Without literacy, then we will remain backward, we will remain as we don't know. So with this increase of literacy, with the increase of children drop out and never enroll coming to the center, we are having more courage how to carry on with our work here. And we will continue it as long as we have this dropout, as long as we have this never enroll. And then when they are back to the normal school, that also we will take care of them. So with this word, I say thank you to all of you who were, most of you came as dropout, and you came also as never enrolled. But now you are in a normal school, in the normal school of this school, though we still have 104 here. So thank you.